All right, so the issue is that we cannot name a page login or register. So I've created this test page, and if we come to the pages and we look at the settings of this test page, if I were to try to name this login and hit save, you see it tells me that we've got an invalid tab name. So we cannot use login or register. So in that case, what we can do is use a script to get around this. So what I want to do is obviously respond to this question where the user is wanting to put a login link in the root menu or a register link in the root menu and have it go to a URL that is external to the site. So I want to use some jQuery to do that. Now, what I need to know is what skin or what theme this page is using. So I'm just going to go to the Advanced tab, and then Appearance, and I can see it's using this Exilion and then Enter, right? So on my local install, I've got this peak test site that I created yesterday when I was working with the guy, and I'll go to the Portals, Default, Skins folder, and I see the Exilion folder, and I can see this Enter. Okay, so I'm going to open that up in Notepad++. So I've got this is the file for this page, the skin. So when I go back to the site and I just on the link that's here, this test, if I inspect, I can see that we've got this div ID of DNN menu. So if you have a menu on your site, you're probably going to have either an ID or a class or something like that. And then we've got this unordered list and these list items that are listed after that. So what I want to do is use jQuery to inject or insert an item in here. And so in Notepad++, what I've done is I already wrote this script. So right here after the nav bar, and you can see the menu system here. So we've got nav bar header, nav bar menu. So I'm just coming down right here. It could be really anywhere, but I'm injecting a JavaScript snippet here. So, and you'll notice that I have this commented out, right? So I'm just using jQuery and I'm grabbing this DNN menu, which again is this item, and then beneath that the unordered list, and I'm writing in here append. So it's going to grab that unordered list and it's going to add to the end of it whatever I put in here. So I've just put in some a new LI, and then I closed it off, and then with the link going to Google. So I'll just save that and we'll refresh the page. And you can see now we've got this login link that has been entered there. Well, what if you want it at the front instead of at the end? So that's an easy fix. Instead of append, you just change it to prepend, click save, refresh, and the login will be at the front. So if you have a unique scenario where you need to have a link for login or register in the root menu, but the system won't let you name a page that, you could potentially use jQuery to get around that. So I hope this is helpful.